Hey, today we're gonna talk about pricing. How much this basement concrete slab is gonna take you. I wanna go step by step and then I'm gonna share with you guys what is the final cost for this. And we're gonna do numbers together. I have my calculator on me. Alright. Imagine there's a full slab concrete in here. All concrete, a couple of inches slab. We gotta break all of that, we gotta take it outside, put them in the dumpster, then send them out. Then also we gotta dig down ground so we can get enough space for the gravel. So we got to dig down about total 5 inches with the concrete, 5 to 6 inches total. So imagine 5 to 6 inches all concrete and dirt. It is a lot of work. So 5 to 6 inches is about this much. They have to dig down. So 5 team members, it will take them around 2 days, if it's not more, working super hard the entire day. So that's, let's just say, we call them 2 days, 5 team members to do all of that. Now everything is broke down. The ground is deep. I'm sorry, the dirt's gone. Now we got the French lines. We got to dig about 12 to 16 inches wide. We got to be deeper in here. We got to create a trench all the way through around. So it's a lot of work. We got to take all the dirt outside again. So that for 5 guys will take them a day. We got to dig a huge pump right here to put the pump. So all of that will take about a day. So that right there is 3 days. Now, as we're doing that, now next thing is we got to now bring back the gravel. Like we got to put the gravel there so the water can drain. So the gravel, to do all of that, remember the trucks come in there. Then we got to spread the gravel all over. At the same time, we got to do these foundations in here so we can put the footings. And then we got to do all the vapor barrier, and we got to do the mesh. So all the prepping for the day of the pouring, that's gonna take a day for 5 guys. So we're talking about now 2 for digging, 1 for French drain, 1 for the prep area. There's 4 days. Now we need 1 more day for the slab day. We need the concrete in here. We gotta do the slab. That day we gotta move fast enough so we can get the concrete on this place. Otherwise, it's gonna dry. So all of that, we're talking about 1 day. So in total, entire price is gonna be a day. All right, let's do numbers. Different companies and different numbers, but here is it. Let's see a company charging $100 per hour per person. That's 100 times per person per 8. So that's per person 800 times 5 guys working on the field. That's a $4,000 a day per labor. Now, full job took 5 days, right? So times 5, that's $20,000 in labor. Now, we need material. We need the concrete, we need the plastic, we need the gravel, we need everything else. So I'm just making numbers right here. Probably we need about $6,000 in total. So equals that $30,000. So this job is about $30,000. Let me just make sure it's right? $100 an hour per person times 8 times 5 people, 5 team members, 4,000 times 5, 20,000 plus 6,000 of materials, 26,000. Yeah, 26,000. Now, remember, always put a couple of $1,000 in case something happens. So we'll just put another $2,000 extra. Oops. Yeah, so I'm sorry. What happened in here? It's $8,000 up plus $20,000. It's $28,000. So this concrete job, it should cost you about $28,000, $30,000 entire slab. But you have a brand new slab. Never you have to worry about it. They're gonna do the lolly column now. All right, hope that's helpful.